Hello everyone, welcome back to Tommy Fan Club.
Today, we're going to build an automatic railroad crossing layout featuring realistic operating mechanisms, along with an elevated railway line designed for transporting container trains. If you're ready, let's get started. First, we'll install the railroad crossing station, which is responsible for ensuring safety whenever trains pass through. The entire system will be monitored and operated by a crossing attendant. Once the system is activated, vehicles can cross the railway as usual. However, when a train approaches the station, the operator activates the warning signals to temporarily stop traffic. After the train has safely passed through, vehicles can continue on their way normally. In this area, I'll create a railroad crossing where the road intersects with the railway line. I'll also add a crossing attendant to help ensure safety whenever a train passes through. At this location, I'll build a Shinkansen station where trains can stop to pick up and drop off passengers. Now, it's time to test the system after completing the build. Let's see whether the station operates exactly as we designed it. Let's take a look. As the Shinkansen arrives at the station, the signal system instructs all vehicles to stop and wait. Once passenger boarding and unloading have been completed and the train departs, traffic can resume as normal. Next, we'll begin building the elevated railway section, along with a station and a bridge. Let's go through the assembly process together. In this section, I'll build a bridge to connect the railway route and improve the flow of the entire rail network. Next, I'll add more detail to the elevated railway by installing catenary poles along the elevated track, making the overall scene look even more realistic and immersive. It's time to put the train to the test. Let's see whether it can successfully pull the container train up onto the elevated railway. Let's find out. Next, we'll build a roadway for container trucks to travel throughout the layout and transport cargo between different areas. We'll add another railway line and build a tunnel for trains to pass through, bringing more variety and realism to the layout. At this location, I'll create another railroad crossing to connect different sections of the railway network and improve traffic flow throughout the layout. It's time to test the Shinkansen. Let's see how smoothly it runs through the layout and whether everything operates as expected. Next, we'll create a construction zone to add more detail and bring a greater sense of realism to this miniature city. I'll bring a truck into the construction area to test the operation. Let's see if everything works properly and performs according to the original plan. And finally, the layout we've been designing throughout this entire video is now complete. What do you think of today's layout? We put a lot of effort into designing and demonstrating the operation of the automatic railroad crossing system, allowing you to see how each mechanism works in detail. We hope this video provides inspiration and useful ideas for anyone interested in railway layout design, while also helping you gain a better understanding of how railway systems operate. For our next video, if there's a layout or railway-related project you'd like to see, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas. Finally, thank you all for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.